Welcome to Science Hub. Today, we're diving into a cosmic event that will have the world looking up in awe. On April 13, 2029, a skyscraper-sized asteroid named Apophis will make a remarkably close approach to Earth, giving billions of people a chance to witness its journey across the sky. Discovered in 2004, Apophis was initially feared to be on a collision course with our planet. However, further studies have confirmed that while it will pass near us, it poses no threat. Instead, it presents a unique opportunity for scientists to study the effects of Earth's gravity on such celestial bodies. Officially known as 99,942 Apophis, this asteroid takes its name from the Egyptian god of chaos. Despite its ominous title, astronomers assure us of its safe passage. What's truly fascinating is that during its flyby, more than 90% of the world's population will be able to see Apophis with the naked eye. As it slowly drifts across the sky, it will appear as a bright moving point, slower than many satellites, starting its journey over Australia and eventually fading over the Atlantic Ocean. At its closest, Apophis will be about 31,600 kilometers from Earth, offering an incredible spectacle. For scientists, this event is a golden opportunity to observe how Earth's gravitational pull might alter Apophis's orbit around the Sun or even cause surface changes, like landslides or newly exposed materials. These observations will provide invaluable data to better understand asteroid dynamics. As the date approaches, excitement is building among scientists and skywatchers worldwide. Apophis's visit is not only a rare chance to observe an asteroid up close, but it's also an opportunity to deepen our understanding of the universe and the dynamic interactions between planets and asteroids. It's a shared experience that reminds us of the vastness of the cosmos and the endless discoveries it holds. Don't forget to subscribe to Science Hub for more exciting space explorations.